Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Taylah and I make scrunchies and bows and also makeup bags. And I've been doing this for 11.5 years. In today's video, I'm trying to get some little freebies made up with these tote bags. I've had these tote bags sitting around for so long and I want to try and get some prints put on them with the X-Tool apparel printer. I'm thinking possibly like my logo and maybe some Christmassy themed like around, or maybe like a mix and match, maybe like both. I don't know. I do not have a lot of time today to do this. I was hoping to get it done quite fast really, because I can bring them to markets and then they can be like a little freebie for people that purchase like a bunch of items from me. Challenge today is I want to see if I can make one of these in under 15 minutes, and then I want to see how long it takes me to make all. I think there's 25. There might be one or two more than 25, but I want to try and make as many as I can today, and I'll time and I'll let you know how long it takes me. I'm a little bit stressed and I want to get it all done sooner rather than later. So I got lots of things to do. We're coming up to the busy season. There's so much to do with the busy season. I still have my launch to do and I still have Christmas to get through. It's gonna be very busy. So if I can get these done earlier, that way they're actually done. Otherwise, I feel like if I get too far into the Christmas season, I'm not gonna want to do it because I'm gonna have too many other things to do. We're gonna see how long it takes me to do all this. I'm just going to start off with a blank canvas, and I wanted to add in like my logo and everything as well. So I've just added that in now. So that's what my logo looks like. It has like the little florals and my name as well. I was actually thinking about doing like a reef around. I don't know if that's what it's actually called, but like for Christmas, because like there's a Christmas kind of tote bag giveaway things. X-Tool actually has an AI software where you can type in different things and get them to make it up. So I'm gonna try doing some of those. So I might try like a Christmas bow. That one's cute. What that one? Okay, what about Christmas wreath? I don't know how this will turn out. Okay, so we've got a couple different ones. That one's cool. I don't know, I think I'm gonna have a little play around with this and figure out what I sort of want on the bags, because I am kind of tossing up between doing a couple that are normal and a couple that are Christmas, but if I find the right sort of style that I like, I might just do the whole lot Christmas, I don't know. And then we can get printing and we'll see how long the first bag takes me. I think I'll do 2 because I don't want to waste any of the paper. Alright, that took about 3 minutes to print and it's just currently in the oven now, which I think will take a couple minutes. So I thought I'd come in here and make sure my heat press is on and I can steam one of the bags. Not steam, but like just iron it a little bit. Ready to go. So I've just pressed that one, so then it's ready to go for when the decal is ready. There we go. So that's what the print came out like. It looks really nice and crisp. I'm just going to cut this apart. And I've currently got more printing at the moment as well, so then I can get these done really, really quick. But I think so far I'm under 15 minutes. I did take a little bit long in the oven, but if you do them 6 at a time, which I'm going to be able to do, or like even 4 at a time, it doesn't take as long if you like divide that. It's just if you do like 1 or 2, it takes longer. Settings are currently at 160 degrees for 6 seconds for 70 kilos pressure. And then while it's still quite warm, I put this back on and do another 6 seconds. Once I do the first peel, I like to just do it for one more time just to, I don't know, I like doing it. That's just what I do. So that's the first bag, and that took me, I think it took me like 16 or 17 minutes, but I reckon I'll be able to smash them out so quick now because I've already printed out a bunch more. So I'm just trying to like cut them with my tiny little scissors. But sort of once these are all like done, which won't take long because I can print them while I'm pressing, and then I'll have all these bags done. I reckon I'll be able to get these all done within an hour now that I've sort of got the hang of it and got the groove. I feel like they're popping out even quicker now. Because like, this did not take long. I feel like I was in here for like 5 minutes. But who knows. I've gotten 4 bags done so far. These are actually taking like not long at all to print. So I think they're taking about 3 minutes to print all 4. And then maybe 5 minutes in the shaker, maybe less. Maybe it was just heating up when I first did it, because I feel like they're popping out way quicker now than it was earlier. I did also test some of these because I feel like some of them were coming out a bit funny at the temperature. So I did up the temperature a little bit, but each one I've been lowering it by 5 because I think it wasn't set at the right temperature when I did it originally. That's okay. I think we're about halfway. There we go, all finished, all 25 tote bags. And I'm just looking at the time now. This took me under 2 hours from start to finish, and that includes doing like the little mock-ups of like what I was thinking for the front design. It's really quick, which is good because I have so much other things I need to do today. So these freebies, I could definitely sell them if I wanted to, but I thought it'd be like a nice little give back to my customers. I don't know whether I'll put them in also online orders because there's only 25 of them. So we'll see. They've come out so nice and very crisp. So if you're looking for a machine that you can make products with, such as tote bags or t-shirts or anything like that, I definitely recommend X-Tool Apparel Printer. You can make a bunch of different items with it. Super versatile and has heaps of commercial potential. And they come out super high quality, and you can do it in-house, and also it doesn't take very long. As I said, I did 25 bags in under 2 hours. So that's awesome. And like, that's the other t-shirt I made in my last video with the Madebytaylahrose on the front. It literally, the quality is so good. It literally looks like a picture from the screen. Like it's not like blur or anything, so it's really awesome. This machine is super beginner friendly. It is a fully automated process. I did not have to do anything except click the button to print, and it did it all for me, and then I just had to heat press it on, which makes it super quick too, because I think other machines don't come with a shaker oven. You have to do that part yourself, so it just makes it really fast process. They also have a new AI design capabilities on the Xtool software, which is great. So if you're not sure on what to do, you can pop that in as well and try the AI software. It also has automated maintenance, which means you do have to leave it on 24/7, the printer at least, because it does self-clean, and that way when you go to use it again, it's not going to be all clogged up, which other printers are notorious for doing. So this one, it has the 24/7 self-maintenance cleaning. Very fast speed as well. As I said, I was able to do 25 of these in just under 2 hours, and that is from literally from the moment I started the video to the end. And they have commercial quality prints. As you can see, they are very high quality. They aren't blur or anything. I think these will be such a great addition to my Christmas season, being able to gift out some cute little collectible bags. If you yourself want to check out the Xtool apparel printer, I will link them down below, and I'll also add the promo code as well. You can go check them out, read up all about them, or even purchase one for yourself. The possibilities are endless. What should I make next with the Xtool apparel printer? I don't know. There's so many different ideas I have, and there's so many different things to do with it. So very exciting. Watch this space. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!